There are various ways to make money online, and the specific methods that work best for you will depend on your skills, interests, and available time. Here are some popular ways to make money online. Freelancing. You can offer your services as a freelancer on websites such as Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. Freelancing allows you to work on projects for clients around the world and get paid for your skills. Online surveys. There are many websites that pay you for completing surveys or participating in market research studies. Examples include Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Inbox Dollars. Affiliate marketing. You can earn commissions by promoting other people's products on your website, blog, or social media platforms. You can sign up for affiliate programs with companies like Amazon, ClickBank, or Commission Junction. Online tutoring or teaching. You can teach languages, academic subjects, or skills such as music or art on websites such as Vivkid, Teachable, or Skillshare. Selling products. You can create and sell products such as ebooks, online courses, or physical products on websites such as Amazon, Etsy, or Shopify. Online advertising. You can earn money by displaying ads on your website or social media platforms through advertising networks such as Google AdSense or MediaVine. Virtual assistant. You can offer administrative or technical assistance to businesses or individuals on websites such as Fancy Hands, Zirtual, or Time, etc. It's important to note that making money online takes time, effort, and dedication. You may need to try multiple methods before finding the one that works best for you.